Preparation is always with your foot a little bit parted, with your knees soft, not quite so far here, but just so that it's a little bit past the other knee. So for example, if you're like this and the knee is together, this is not great. You want to have a little bit further. And the tip of the toe of the back foot, so not on the ball, exactly. Not an easy position to hold, but in movement, you're going to be pretty much like using it for propulsion. So we're going to start soft knees. We prepare the right foot, just a nice preparation, good. Move the knee a little bit further back, perfect. Now from here, the key is to use this foot, push and slide. Hop, good job. And right away, let's go into the second preparation, good job. And again, with these heels, it's a little bit tougher, but you're doing well. We go push, whoom, and preparation, good. Push, preparation, hold it, and here the key is to make sure that the weight is forward. Whoom, good job. So, all good, all good. So the difficult part is that when you move back, the natural tendency is to move your spine. So for example, if I'm here, and then as I move back, let's say I prepare my right foot, when I move back, the problem is I'm going to push and my shoulders are going to go first, and now I'm falling back. The key then is to make sure that your spine always stays forward over that foot. So as you prepare, the foot is here. As you push, you want to make sure that your weight stays, that's okay, it's okay, it stays on that standing leg, good, with the preparation. Again, much easier for me because I'm in these soft, relaxed shoes today, but I will give you a little bit of support and it'll be good together. So soft, we prepare the foot, preparation, good. Now we push, whoom, excellent, much better. So you feel how your weight really is on the forward foot here, you're to me. Now we prepare, don't move yet, move leg, not body. Whoom, good job, preparation, hold it. E, push, excellent. So right foot reaching back, a little bit better than the left foot, and I think a part of it is how you're preparing the foot. With the right foot, you're doing a really good job of preparing tip of the toe. This is good because you can slide it easily. But on the left foot, what you're doing sometimes is you're preparing and you don't fully pick up this foot, so you kind of here. This is very difficult to slide like this. So what you want to do is make sure the whole bottom of the shoe is showing, then you can slide. Yeah. From here. Nice and easy. So we go soft knees, we prepare the foot, good. Now we slide, prepare the foot, and just on the tip of the toe, yes, good job. We go push, much better. So we go preparation, whoom, preparation, whoom, much better. Oh, now we're talking. Our goal is to be powerhouses on the floor. Like I want you to boot it across the floor to music. So I don't want you to just tippy, tippy, tick, tip, tip. I want you to go from preparation like a race car. Engine on, lower to the ground, and then vroom, 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 drive across. Now, I have slightly longer legs, I know, but the idea is the same. You're gonna start from here. We're gonna go soften the knees. A little bit too much maybe, so just soft, yeah, good. Preparation, and push. Slow, prepare, slow, excellent, and quick, slow if we do the basic. Wonderful. Okay. One more time. Now we got to put it into practice. So we go soften the knees. We go preparation, just the foot, push. One. Preparation, just the foot, tip of the toe. Yes, push. Preparation, just the foot, step and side together. Ta. That's the easiest part of the step, I know. Good, one more. So we go soft knees. We go reach the foot, push, reach the foot, push, reach the foot, step, side, here, and preparation again. Push, preparation, push, you got it, preparation, and back, side, you got it, very nice, good job. One more time, same thing. So we're gonna have beautiful posture up, neck is tall, so the back of the neck is tall, the whole spine is elongated. We soften our knees, and we prepare. We go, whoom, 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 bam, bam. Again, reach, push, push, ya, ta. Fantastic.